All right, guys, how you guys doing today? Today is Tuesday the 26th. We're on a hardwood job the team's doing. We're installing some boards here, as you guys can see. Let me show you what the guys have already done. All right, so basically, guys, we're doing this area here. We're doing the hallway. We pulled up the old linoleum, and we're gonna install raw hardwood, and then we're gonna sand it and refinish it. As you guys see, we're doing the closets here. And again, we do this as a one-off. We don't really advertise for this, but we will do it if the client requests it, just to kind of help bridge in what we're already doing. So we got this sanded. We're gonna stain it dark walnut with a satin sheen. Anytime we do sand, guys, we do use an oil base. So it does take a little bit longer to dry, but it does a great job. We already sanded this down. Of course, in the process, we start 36. 60, 80, and then 100, then a 120, and all was well. So we already vacuumed it. There was some more damage over here, but we already got that up. So look great, guys. All the imperfections are done. So we got 3 bedrooms, basically in a hallway. Not too bad. At $7 a square foot, plus the cost of material. Plus the cost of installation. Not a bad gig, guys. I think the ticket was a little over $7,500 maybe. Still cheaper than replacement of everything, guys. And again, the team is passionate. That's what we do here at AO Cleaning, Hardwood Floor Restoration. We love saving floors. Got a little closet area here, that you guys can see. Yep. And again, guys, what we do most, what I always educate my clients is always do what's going to be in style 20 years from now. And that's natural, which is neutral, right? And dark walnut. That will never go out of style. Everything else is trendy, like the grays and anything in between. It's just trendy, guys. It will not last. If you want to look at resale value 20 years from now, stick with natural or dark walnut. It always ends up looking beautiful. So that's what we're doing. We're building this up. We're installing the hardwood. And they're going to make it all blend with each bedroom. And that's going to be a wrap. And the client's going to put his own baseboards up. So, got all our equipment there set up for the team. But yeah, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Stay tuned for some more results. We're going to show the after work, after all this is complete, after how it looks with the new hardwood installed, with the dark walnut and the 2 coats of satin sheen. Guys, it's going to look great. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We always have content on there. That way you don't never miss a live video or an update on our process. And again, hit the bell. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And let us know where you're watching from, and appreciate your support. All right, Ryan with AO Cleaning signing out. Stay tuned.
There's 4.5. That was just a 1-inch board going down the side of that. So that. Right there.
All right, guys. So what the team is doing now is they're cutting the wood.
Okay, let me go this way a little more there. All of the cookies up. Final sand.
That's right. Video. All right, guys, I'm going to show you the final work. The team's here now doing the final touch-ups, but this is the final results. We got this hallway that we installed, stained, recoated, satin sheen. Look how beautiful these floors turned out, guys. Look at that. The bedroom here, hallway. The team did a great job. Look how beautiful this turned out. We did get into the closet area. Again, guys, this is the full sand, stain and recoat, dark walnut, satin sheen. This is the most popular that we do in terms of, abroad, is a satin with the dark walnut, guys. This will never go out of style. The client absolutely loves it. Look at that, guys. Man, beautiful. Of course, and then we get this other bedroom. The team's actually putting the closets now, but just look how good that looks. Man, looks great. Got this hallway here. And of course, we did the entry as well. But yeah, guys, client loves it. He's extremely happy. And then we are gonna remove this here eventually. He wants this done. There's hardwood under here. And we're gonna do the same thing. Sand it, stain it, recoat it to make it all uniform. But that'd be another project. So, all right, guys, kind of goes in with this pre-finish there too. So that's gonna do it. We also got into the closets as well. Again, this was old linoleum we pulled up, and then we put raw hardwood, sanded it, stained it, and recoated. We got this as well. Look at that, guys. Team did good. Hey, yo, let's go. If you need the service, reach out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Hey, guys, right here at Cleaning, Hardwood Floor Restoration. I want to speak to what we're doing here today. This is my client, Dan. We just got finished up doing his floors for about a week, and he wants to kind of speak through the overall experience of my team, the workmanship, the experience, and the wow factor that he has of the floors. So without further ado, here's Mr. Dan.
How you doing? I think they did a great job. They were very professional and very friendly, and they did a great job on my floors. Awesome.
Well, we appreciate your business, and I think he said he'll invite us back next year to do some other stuff for him as well, because he was so impressed with the workmanship. And again, Dan, we appreciate your business.
Thank you very much.